Morning everyone. Today we start with chapter 16, data handling. So today we have to discuss exemplar problem. Problem number 5. The range of the data is 3, 7, 1, minus 2, 2, 6, minus 3, minus 5. Would change if 8 was added to each value in the data. So just we have to tell true or false. Now first we have to write what is our range. So as we know, range is highest value minus lowest value. But for finding range, first we have to arrange data in ascending order. So in ascending order, we have to write first is smaller than bigger. So here we see that their positive or negative numbers are both in data. So as I write in ascending order, minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. So if you are having any problem in writing the ascending order, so just make a number line and check out which number is smaller and bigger. So now we have to tell that highest value, that is 7, and lowest value is minus 5. So just write it here. Range equal to, we have to mention highest value and lowest value. So highest value in data is 7 and lowest value is minus 5. So range formula is highest value, that is 7, minus lowest value, that is minus 5 in bracket. So as we learn about the integer method, direct method, minus plus, according to that method we have to do minus plus. 7 plus 5 is 12. So range is 12. Okay, now what they say, would change if 8 was added to each value in data. अगर वो 8 हर डाटा की हर टर्म में ऐड हो जाए, हर वैल्यू में ऐड हो जाए, तो रेंज का कोई चेंज होगा. सो जस्ट राइट इट हियर, न्यू डाटा, that is, so 3 is old now, so just we have to add 8 in both old terms. 3 plus 8, 7 plus 8, 1 plus 8, minus 2 plus 8, so 2 plus 8, 6 plus 8, minus 3 plus 8, minus 5 plus 8. So 3 plus 8 is 11, 7 plus 8 is 15, 9, 6, 10, 14, minus 3 plus 8 is 5, minus 5 plus 8 is 3. Now we have to arrange data in ascending order. Why? Because I take data from here. You can pick it from here also. You can just add 8 in that ascending order, each value, and then solve the range after that. So first we have to write the ascending order of this new data. So just look at the lowest value, that is 3. Now we have to write ascending order further. So I just write the ascending order. Now I have to write the highest value and lowest value. So just look at the ascending order and tell the highest value, that is 15. Now lowest value is 3. Now we have to find the range. Highest value minus lowest value. So 15 minus 3 is 12. So range is 12. न्यू डाटा की रेंज भी 12 है और ओल्ड डाटा की रेंज भी 12. Now come back to the question that if 8 was added to each value in data, then range having change or not? They're just asking about that. So there are no change in range, both ranges are same, so that's why it is true. So your answer is true. Okay, I hope you understand the concept. Thank you for watching it.